Compound interest refers to the process of calculating interest on the initial principal and on any interest that has accumulated from earlier periods.
There are two interest rates we apply for case study 1. First is 1.95% and second is 2.15%.
Iqmal planned to save his money in HSBC Attractive Fixed Deposit FD account for his future wedding. He plans to deposit 4,000 ringgit for a period of 3 years, and the saving accounts offer an interest rate of 1.95% compounded quarterly.
Next is objective. First, to determine future value of Iqmal's saving period. Second, to calculate the compound interest amount by Iqmal. Third, to calculate the account balance at the end of the saving period when Iqmal's deposit an additional Rm1,000 into the same account 2 years after his initial deposit. Last, to calculate the future value at the end of the saving period when the interest rate changed to 2.15% compounded 30 months after his initial deposit. So, this is the result and discussion for case study 1. P equal to Rm4,000 and K equal to 1.95%. Meanwhile, M equal to 3 months and T equal to 3 years. First, we need to find I and N first. The formula for I is I equal to K over M. So, I is 0.0195 over 4 equal to 39 over 800. And then, formula for N is M multiplied with T, which is 4 multiplied with 3 equal to 12. So, let's continue with objective 1. Objective 1 is to determine the future value at the end of Iqmal's saving period. So, the formula used for this is S equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I with the power of N. So, S equal to 4,000 multiplied with 1 plus 39 over 8,000 with the power of 12. Final answer for S is Rm 4,240.38 cents. Next, objective 2 is to calculate the compound of interest amount received by Iqmal. The formula used for this question is I equal to S minus P. So, I equal to 4,240.38 cents minus with 4,000. The final answer is Rm 240.38 cents.
Objective 3, to calculate the account balance at the end of the saving periods when Iqmal deposit an additional 1,000 ringgit into the same account 2 years after his initial deposit. For these questions, we're going to use equation S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. P equal to 4,000 ringgit, I equal to K over M. I equal to 0.0195 over 4, I equal to 39 over 800. For N1 equal to M multiply T equal to 8. For N2, we going to have 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4. into the equation. So S equal to 4,000 ringgit, bracket 1 plus 39 over 8,000, bracket power of 8. S equal to 4,000 ringgit 158.69 cent. P new equal to S1 plus P2. P new equal to 4,158 ringgit 69 cent plus 1,000 ringgit. P new equal to 5,158 ringgit 69 cent. S equal to P new bracket 1 plus I power of N. So S equal to 5,158 ringgit 69 cent, bracket 1 plus 39 over 8,000, bracket power of 4. S equal to 5,260 ringgit 2 cent. Objective 4, to calculate the future value at the end of the saving period when the interest rate changed to 2.15% compounded 13 months after his initial deposit. So the only change here is his percentage. So using formula I equal to K over M, I equal to 2.15 over 100, I equal to 0.0215 over 4, I equal to 39 over 8,000. S1 equal to P1 plus I power of N. S1 equal to 4,000, 1 plus 39 over 8,000 power of 4. S1 equal to 4,078.57 cent. S equal to S1, 1 plus I2 power of N. So S equal to 4,078.57 cent, 1 plus 43 over 8,000 power of 12. So S equal to 4,349.56 cent.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So, what is annuity? Annuity is a financial plan where a lump sum is exchanged for a regular income payment, usually after retirement, ensuring consistent financial support.
So for case study 2, the cost price is 119,800 and the down payment is 30%. Next, the loan period is 6 years. And lastly, the terms and fixed rate is 2.27%. The problem statement is Iman plans to buy a new car for his personal use like for go to work. He is interested in purchasing a Proton car which is Iman's 7 Premium that has a sunroof. The cost of the car is RM119,800. He plans to pay 30% as a down payment and the remaining balance will be financed through a loan under the RHB Vehicle Financing I. The bank offers an interest rate of 2.27% compounded monthly and the loan will be settled through monthly payment over a period of 6 years. The first objective is to determine the amount of monthly payment paid by Iman. Second, to calculate the total interest accrued by Iman. The third one, to calculate the total outstanding balance if Iman decides to settle the loan immediately after making the 60 payment. The last objective is to determine the outstanding area that must be settled in the next payment if Iman has misses 2 consecutive monthly payments. Result and discussion. First, we need to find the cost price, down payment and balance. The first one, cost price. Cost price equal to RM119,800. Next, down payment. Down payment equal to down payment multiplied by cost price. So, 40% multiplied by 190,800 equal to RM 47,920. Next, balance. Balance equal to cost price minus down payment. So, equal to RM 71,880. Next, K. K equal to 2.27%. in bracket 0.0227 close bracket. M equal to 12, T equal to 6. Next, we need to find the I. I equal to K over M. So, I equal to 0.0227 over 12 equal to 227 over 120,000. Next, N. N equal to MT in bracket 12 close bracket in bracket 6 close bracket equal to 72. Objective 1 to determine the amount of monthly payment paid by Iman. So we use formula A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power minus N close bracket over I. But first we need to find the R. So we use formula R equal to AI over open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power minus N close bracket. So the calculate is R equal to open bracket 71,818 close bracket open bracket 220,000 over 120,000 close bracket over open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 227 over 120,000 close bracket power minus 72 close bracket. So R equal to RM 168.81. Objective 2 is to calculate the total interest incurred by Iman. We use formula 1 equal to R in bracket N close bracket minus A. So I equal to 1068.81 in bracket 72 close bracket minus 71,818. So I equal to RM 5,074.32.
Assalamualaikum and hi, so I will explain the objective 3. The formula is AN equals 70,880 ringgit open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 227 over 120,000 close bracket to the power of negative 12 and close bracket over 227 over 120,000, and the answer is 112 equal RM 852,047 and 7 cents. So next I will explain for objective 4. The formula is S3 equal open bracket 1068.8 cent close bracket and open bracket 2 times 1 plus 227 over 120,000 close bracket to the power of minus 1 close bracket over 227 over 120,000, and the answer is S3 equal RM 3,212 ringgit point 47 cent.
For conclusion, the study of compound interest and annuity show that time and consistency play the biggest roles in financial growth. A lump sum investment growth exponentially as interest compounds, while regular contribution through annuities accumulate significantly over the long term. Factors such as compounding frequency, changes in interest rate, and payment timing can greatly influence final outcome. Overall, understanding this principle helps in making better saving, investment, and loan repayment decisions, ensuring more effective long-term financial planning.